Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to cover formatting of column charts. We'll be looking at 12 specific formatting elements and how to do that in Microsoft Excel. And this is the data that we will be using for this exercise. It's the department and how many employees were in each department in 2021 and in 2022. Use this data and insert a column chart. This is what it'll appear, and that's what I have here as my starting point. Chart area fill color. So there are two important things you need to know about the area here. So when you click on the chart, you see the edge is the chart area. So let me choose chart area and I'll show you what the chart area is. So I can do one of these, color choices if I like. I think I'm generally trying to stick to something very light so it doesn't take away from the the visual itself. But you can change the fill color, you can increase the transparency so that you're not taking up it's not too dominant. So you want to make sure that the color that you choose as the fill color is not dominant. If you do no fill, then there is no fill, and so automatically whatever is behind the chart is getting visible. So the chart behind. So let me, for example, take the background and do a different color. So whatever is the background color of your sheet will then carry through into your chart. Okay. So I'm going to go back. What I want to do is to do a solid fill. Let me just do white as the option so you can see the white color. You can also do some patterns if you'd like. So in my example, I've done a pattern fill, so I can do these. Let's see. Okay, so you can still see the pattern or the texture, but it's not overpowering. So if that's your design choice, then you can easily do that in Excel using this chart area fill option.